Welcome back to Trendwave. Today, we're heading to South America, a continent bursting with natural wonders, ancient civilizations, and vibrant cultures. From the Andes to the Amazon, let's uncover one fascinating fact about each country in this remarkable part of the world. Starting with Argentina, home to the southernmost city on Earth, Puerto Williams. Many think it's Ushuaia, but Puerto Williams lies even farther south, nestled on Navarino Island. Uruguay was the first country in the world to legalize the full production and sale of marijuana under state control, setting a global precedent in 2013. Paraguay is one of only two landlocked nations in South America and has a fascinating hydroelectric feat, the Itapúa Dam, which produces more electricity annually than any other hydro plant on Earth. Chile boasts the Atacama Desert, the driest non-polar desert in the world. Some weather stations there have never recorded rainfall. Bolivia has not one but two capital cities, La Paz, the highest capital on Earth, and Sucre, its constitutional capital. Peru is home to the ancient citadel of Machu Picchu, but what's lesser known is that the country contains over 90 distinct microclimates. Over to Brazil, the largest country in South America and the only one that speaks Portuguese. It also holds the world's biggest carnival celebration, attracting millions to Rio each year. Colombia is the only South American nation with coastlines on both the Pacific Ocean and the Caribbean Sea, giving it incredible ecological diversity. Ecuador sits right on the equator, and you can visit the Mitad del Mundo monument to stand in both hemispheres at once. Venezuela is home to Angel Falls, the tallest waterfall in the world, so high that the water evaporates before it reaches the ground. Guyana is South America's only English-speaking country and has one of the world's largest, untouched rainforests. It's also home to the breathtaking Equator Falls, 5 times taller than Niagara. And finally, Suriname, the continent's smallest country, is one of the most forested nations on the planet with over 90% of its land covered in pristine jungle. South America is full of surprises, and every country brings something truly unique to the table. Which fact blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Trendwave for more amazing content from around the world.